Fail. This isn't gonna work with this piece of bread because it's the end piece and it's crumbly. So you have to wait a second. Birdies assemble! Alright, let me open up the hot dog ones. Where'd your cigarette go?
I don't know, but look at that big ass fish down there. Hurry up, I want to go catch fish.
Where's the fish? I don't see fish.
It just jumped over there. Just hurry up.
Throw a piece in the air?
Yeah.
Oh, that was right at that nigga. Yeah. Come on, dude.
Oh, look, they have an audience.
What do you mean? Who's the audience? The white ducks?
Yeah, look at them all lined up.
It's not gonna happen again.
Come on, I can do it. Give me the bread. I'll throw it.
Whoa! Look over there.
Look where?
Snake bird. Oh, you missed it. It dived.
Oh. Here, give me the bread. Okay, ready? Watch this. I'm gonna film it and they're gonna catch it. Oops!
What'd you do with it?
Give me another piece.
What happened?
Nothing. I panicked. Okay, here we go.
There's a giant snake bird over here. You know that? Oh, that was sloppy.
Let's try again.
What are you hissing at, bitch? Look back there, Mom. Straight back.
Oh, I see it. Okay, birdies, are you ready? I'm sorry. Okay, one more time. Here we go.
They're too dumb.
No, they'll do it. Let me hold my hand out. Maybe I can catch one.
I'm gonna say no.
I'm gonna say, here, birdies. Come to me, birdies.
You think we'll catch a gator? Oh fuck, now we got blackbirds, dude.
It's a race war. Blackbirds, white birds.
Ducks. They're right above my head. I don't want them to cool on me.
Oh, relax. Okay.
I want to feed that bird back there, Mommy. Throw it towards the bird.
Have some more bread.
Is that a duck?
No. It's an anahinga. Give me some bread, please.
It's so tall.
It's a big one. Okay, here we go.
Ooh, a blackbird stole it. Crafty fuck. Fail.
I know, I'm not good lefty.
Not you, he missed.
I'm gonna have to switch to my right.
I want to feed the anahinga thing.
Whew. It's hot out, man.
I know.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
They just can't do it.
That one caught it. I'm gonna try again.
Miracle.
Okay, here we go. I'm super
Try
lob it.
breaking it in half because it's heavy, so. I want to catch a gator, Mom.
No.
Oscar's like going crazy back there.
I think he's a little unnerved by all the birds.
Yeah.
He's twitching.
He's probably freaking out. Oscar.
Throw one towards the screen.
No.
Yeah, do it. Wait. Okay, now go ahead.
I have a feeling none of them are going to get close enough. Come on, you dumbasses, I'm throwing big pieces. They're all very cautious. It's like they saw the cat and they all freaking dipped.
Yeah, they did. Wow. Except the blackbirds.
Because they dumb.
Don't quickly tell me about the blackbirds.
See...
Wait.